Hi, this is Sean at Wolf Run Timber and Metals. Showing you here a build we just recently did. It's two walnut slabs that we built a melamine form, caulked everything up, and poured brown mica powder epoxy resin in. You see the process here as we pour. Even though we used a 4-inch deep pour, magic resin is what we like, because you get hardly any bubbles. You pour, you have bubbles on the onset, you hit it with a torch or a heat gun, bubbles are gone. You don't have to babysit like most resins. We really like the product. It takes about 3 days to set up, and then 10 days before you can use it or work it. So this kind of was a long process. This took about 5 gallons of epoxy. So you can see here me trying to manipulate the pattern, which is futile because it just, in the end, it does what it wants. I guess if I waited about 6 to 10 hours to where it started to really thicken up and then try to manipulate it, easy for me to say, maybe it would have stayed better. But I guess if you've got any tips or tricks for deep pour epoxy, how to swirl and manipulate, there it goes again, I can't say manipulate. So here you see it's been flattened on the CNC. We get everything level. We've filled all the cracks and holes and knots with epoxy as well. Everything has to be taped off very well, or else the epoxy will find one little wormhole and you'll lose it all. Here you go, we've got it. We started the sanding process on it, getting rid of the router marks. On the back, we decided to put some flat bar steel to reinforce it, to make sure it doesn't warp, and just for insurance. And also, wood moves with the changing of humidity, so we wanted to leave those bars loose. Here we see I've got the legs clamped up. This was a long process as well. We cut all the pieces and laminated or sandwiched all this walnut to make kind of a faux mortise and tenon, I guess. Here you see the finished build glue up, and here you see the bench as well. We just mimicked the table legs as the bench legs so that everything flows nice. Decided to put a couple wooden dowels in the bottom, and here you can see we've got the legs attached to the table. And in one of our next clips here, you'll see the finished product. Ta-da! Here we go. Yeah, there's the finished table. Looks like maybe, yes. That was it. And you will see here soon where it is finally moved in and sitting in its forever home. We went ahead and disassembled the legs, which is just 2 bolts on each leg. Very sturdy build, but it made it easy to carry it in the house, through the doors, up, and there you have it. It's on its face. We installed the legs, and now it is there. It's beautiful, and it was a lot of fun to build this. Challenging, but a lot of fun, and we learned a lot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.